exciting things are gonna happen today. It's getting on my nerves that there's silver fixtures. Cover all this so I can spray paint the school. Same with this one.
All right, my friends, I'm afraid this might be the last time I get to spray paint. Wow, can you see the difference? All right, it got to the point where I needed to use 2 hands. So here's the finished product. Beautiful porcelain white. I think it's safe to say I am retiring from spray painting. I think this little finger has spray paint can tendinitis. So it just covers the hole? It's genius. Oh. And then the outside is adhesive. Okay. Oh, wow. And then we're just gonna wallpaper that. Ta-da! Yay! Here's the master at work.